top news headlines. Teachers' Day celebrated in Manipur, teachers honored. Three, including women, held with drug from Lilong. And British-era tunnel discovered at Delhi Legislative Assembly. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Cleanse your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcoholic-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Now the news in detail. Teachers' Day was celebrated today at City Convention Center. Palace Compound in Imphal, organized by Department of Education, Government of Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Education Minister S. Rajan Singh, Work Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh, Agriculture Minister O. Lukhai Singh, CAP and PD Minister T.H. Satyabrata Singh attended the celebration. In his speech on the occasion, C.M. Biren remembered the tradition of bowing combined with the touching of the feet of teachers by students, a way of respecting teachers in Manipur, which is still prevalent in some parts of the state. During the program, Education Minister S. Rajan commended the teachers of the state who continue to impart knowledge to students even during these trying times. Work Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh also spoke on the occasion. The state government has also rewarded Rs 1 lakh to Ningmaryo Shimre, a lecturer at Ukrul Higher Secondary School. He has badged the prestigious National Teachers Award this year. 9 teachers also received the State Best Teachers Award, which carry a cash incentive of Rs 50,000 each.
China koida tungi miroda ai khoi gi ngasi gi miron se oza sing gi kai kunna ba putpasina khoroi ba tungi miroda se ba message ba dumpi kari takpi tambir ko oza sing ma taksi hala man se taksi kasi nai na sapagi adu kuma podo adu mong na ni ke na Dr. Dakasan Magi Mampuk Mamit celebration to gay have a I get away with that. Was asking my answer. But we were working about the beginning as a society in Lady, but a proper society in the same board of the education is it alive for the belief in Masino was our way to see my answer. Moisture, working in the middle of the Mampuk and Manharis.
Uzagi Simpanda, Hawaii Oba, Amasung Tungi Baraki. अफबा भारत अमा वरना बहुना बदा सात्र साथी कया भारत की खुनाई लेरिबा मयाम सिंह सिगु अफबा खुनाई अमा वरना बसेंगत पा
Teacher hypo words is very important for sustainable development in our society because one of the teacher hypo words is the everything is in the word teacher.
Many leaders of the state, including Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, today extended best wishes to the people. Especially the teaching community on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2021, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh extended his greeting to the teaching community, devoting to nurturing and enlightening the minds of students. In his message, he paid tribute to Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, former President of India, who was also a distinguished teacher and renowned statesman. Teachers play a profound role in shaping a society as they inform, influence, educate, and enlighten the minds of the students. Teachers prepare us lifelong experiences. It is a noble profession shaping the character and future of a country. And Birang continued in the message. A commando team assisted by women police personnel of Lilong police station arrested 3 persons, including 1 woman along with heroine yesterday, a police report said today. In this regard, a press meet was held at Thobal SP office today. On receiving credible information about the transportation of illegal drugs at Lilong, Turil, Ahanbi, Ubaktong, Maka area, a commando team along with women police personnel of Lilong police station under the supervision of additional SP Operation Thobal, Sajida Nanda Soibam and Inspector N. Tikan Meite, Officer in Charge Commando Thobal, under the overall supervision of SP Thobal, Jogesh Chandra Haubajim, conducted intensive frisking and checking at Lilong Idiga Road. During an operation at 4 p.m., 1 unknown person was seen coming by foot at the roadside towards Lilong Dam in a very suspicious manner. On his suspicious behavior, the police team detained the person for verification. On verification, he identified himself as MD Mujibur, age 43 years of Lilong Atokong Maning Leikai. 1 black color polythene containing 22 soap caps suspected to be heroin was seized from his possession. Thereafter, he disclosed that the suspect heroin was given by 2 persons who came in a white Bolero vehicle just 10 minutes before. The police team then started chasing the vehicle immediately by contacting them through MD Mujibur's phone, and they were found at Lilong Bazaar near oil pump. Immediately, the team rushed to the spot and detained the suspected person. They were identified as Dene Haukip, age 25 years, wife of Haminson Haukip of More, Ward number 2, and Minlan Tuboy, age 37 years, son of Jungpo Tuboy of More, Ward number 9. Afterwards, they were formally arrested along with the drug from the spot. A case under has been registered at Lilong police station over the incident. A British-era tunnel discovered at the Delhi Legislative Assembly and renovated. Execution room will be opened for the public next year. The tunnel was discovered in 2016, Assembly Speaker Niwas Goel said. The tunnel that was recently excavated connects the Delhi Assembly to the Red Fort. However, its historical significance is not known yet. The distance between the two close is 5 to 6 kilometers. The work on the project of renovation of the execution room had already started. Tenders have been floated and the PWD would soon begin its work. The design on which the execution room will be renovated have also been prepared, Goel said. A tree plantation program was held today at the complex of Langdem Makha Leikai Pioneer Club under the aegis of All Manipur Unions Club Organization AMUCO. The local club is constituent of Rural United Clubs Organization RUCO, and Apex Organization of Imphal West District Clubs Organization IWD-UCO. Over 150 saplings were planted inside the club complex. Member of AMUCO, IWD-UCO and RUCO attended the event. The North Imphal Development and Sporting Union, NITSU, expressed gratitude to Manipur government for upgrading Srivan High School to higher secondary school level under School Fajet Hansi mission.
Event college is go edX college more battery. Event college is fully government college where we puzzle with na masi X tainana laiba matam kuyen degi level high schools Sirwal High School asibu and hang on rekta hamawena school pregnancy mission amasung higher secondary level da higher secondary thak da masak complete progress sarkar masak complete progress wedana apai look on the
Uripok Kendra Welfare Association and Uripok Kendra COVID-19 Relief Committee today felicitated Laisra Mina Banta Singh, newly appointed Vice President of BJP in Manipur Pradesh. Uripok Kendra Welfare Association Advisor L. Sarojini Devi, Uripok Kendra Welfare Association and Uripok Kendra COVID-19 Relief Committee Chairman Loitong Bam Roman Kumar attended the function at Sri Rusheswari Gopinath Mandop, Uripok Saban Thingal, Imphal.
Program Pangtopiba Loina COVID warrior Moinaina Uripoki Mayamgi Haukiba Pass Web Tagina posted COVID Relief Committee marketing to Minar Kibaza. I could handle it in a Uripoki Prazasing, Mapanda and Missing Ocean of Wanavada, the quarantine center hang the Angambatok Mayama, Tokiba, Rajidu Awana Kudunkiba Mayam, Sava Gitapagi or to Hanjik Narisingi, the Sofa Mating Pang Jaraga Laksabani, and I could Makata and Kobiti Ganus Tatagani, when I Ibu Bharatiya Janata Party, who is essentially Bakanusa, Honorable Prime Minister Modina, seeing Amadi Hawaii Pina Nabagi Mamangi, where Ahanba Webta, Hanipani Pigre.
Now let's have a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Occasion Singidamakta Makal Kiagi cake, Hybidi, photo cake, layer cake, brunch cake, barbie cake, fruit topping cake, cupcakes in a chingba from Bigani, Amadi, Adomi Apam Bamong that cake customized over gate Kudong Chavas of Pisari. Kudong Chavas Sing as Ilawina Bagitamakta, Lensing Bidou, Aikoyi address, NG College Road near Naurangtong. Phone number 9864112972. Aikoyi online partner Food Wi-Fi Amasung Food Web Tagisu order the Weaver Yagan.
Welcome back after the break. Edible items were distributed to the residents of Sagolban Moirang Hanuba by Semgat Sagatpa Committee. Sagolban Moirang Hanuba under the initiative of former Patsoy MLA S. Kunja Keshore, executive member of the committee, thanked Kunja Keshore for the help. In continuation of helping the downtrodden people of Thangju constituency in Imphal East, T.H. Samson Singh, brother of Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh, today provided financial assistance to the poor and needy people. Leighton Tham Basanta Bhim Singh, a social worker, today personally met improvised people of Thobal Bazar Makka Leikai. Basanta has been preparing the contest forthcoming state assembly polls due early next year from 31st Thobal constituency. A solo walk by Mutum Manikanta on the theme No to Drugs and Our Green World, being organized by We4U Foundation and Karam Awang Leikai Club, will be flagged off from Kangla on September 10th. The walk will cover different places of Manipur and Assam. Mutum Manikanta is also an executive member of We4U Foundation, and he also successfully finished a similar initiative on February 2019 under the support of Karam Awang Leikai, Young Club and MLA Karam Shyam. We4U Foundation and Karam Awang Leikai Club have sought support from the people of Manipur. A historic Karbi Anglong agreement to end the decades-old crisis ensuring Assam's territorial integrity was signed in New Delhi on Saturday in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Today's historic Karbi Anglong agreement will be written in golden letter in the history of Assam, Amit Shah said. He said that it is another milestone in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visions of insurgency-free, prosperous Northeast. With the historic agreement, over 1,000 armed cadres have abjured violence and joined the mainstream society. The Home Minister Affairs said in a release, under the agreement, a special development package of rupees 1,000 crore over 5 years will be given by the Union Government and Assam Government to undertake the specific project for the development of Karbi areas, the ministry stated. It stated this memorandum of settlement will ensure greater devolution of autonomy to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, protections of identity, language, culture, etc. of Karbi people, and focused development of the council area. Without affecting the territorial and administrative integrity of Assam, the ministry stated that the Karbi armed groups have agreed to abjure violence and join the peaceful democratic process as established by law of the land. The agreement also provides for rehabilitation of cadres of the armed group. Haqqani and Baradar fight it out for power in Kabul. Backed by Pakistan, the Haqqani network has no interest in sharing power in Kabul and is looking at pure ultra-conservative Sunni Pashtun government. This view flies against the commitment given by Mullah Baradar for a transitional inclusive government to the International Committee in Doha. There is confusion over government formation in Kabul with Haqqani network leadership at odds with Mullah Baradar over the formation of an inclusive transitional government as committed to the international community during the Doha peace talks. While Baradar wants elements from the minority communities to be included in the government, the Haqqanis led by Taliban deputy leader Sirajuddin and his terrorist blood do not want to share power with anyone. With the tacit backing of mentor and promoter Pakistan, the Haqqanis are in favor of a pure Taliban government based on medieval theocracy as per media report. Kerala Health Minister Veena George said the Nipah virus infection was confirmed by National Institute of Virology NIV in Pune on Saturday night. Nipah virus has claimed the life of a 12-year-old boy in the Kozhikode of Kerala, promoting the center to rush a health team to the district with the state government saying there is no need to panic. A team of the National Center of the Disease Control NCDC has been sent to provide technical support to the state, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said. Before we wrap up, let's hear the news in headlines again. Teachers' Day celebrated in Manipur. Teachers honored. Three, including women, held with drug from Lilong. And British-era tunnel discovered at Delhi Legislative Assembly. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Good night, everyone.